Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Plus. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 102 PS. Accompanying this is a 6-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the deep black pearlescent paint colour, and taking a look at some of the exterior features, the Caddy features a set of front parking sensors and sits on a set of 15-inch black steel wheels, complete with a set of wheel trim covers. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear-loading barn doors. The Caddy features LED rear combination lights, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, we'll also find a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the barn doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple load lashing rings dotted across the load area floor. Access into the load area can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding door. The load area also features a black bulkhead as well as a step behind the door, allowing easy access into and out of the load area. Up front in the driver's cab area we'll find an Ergo comfort seat for the driver. Both of the seats feature cloth upholstery as well as a heated function. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. Here you can access all your favourite radio stations or connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find some quick menu access buttons as well as a variety of charging points and a few cup holders. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, and this is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.